Hi, I'm Victor Cohen. This is the MCAT for Victory Anki course, and today we're going to go through the steps of downloading Anki and the MCAT for Victory Anki deck. While Anki is free on the computer and on Android phones, it costs $25 to download on iOS devices. This is a one-time fee used to support the developer and fund the needed cloud storage. I highly recommend downloading Anki on all your devices. This is an extremely useful application that you will use throughout your studies for the MCAT and for medical school. The application is available on the App Store and the Google Play Store. Testing for Victory has no affiliation with Anki. First, go to apps.ankiweb.net and scroll down or press the large download button. Then, select which device you are using. You can select Windows, Mac, or Linux. I'm currently using a Mac computer, but the steps are practically the same for each device. Download the most recent version of Anki and open it once it finishes loading. Then, follow the steps to install it on your device. Now that Anki has been installed, you will need to download the MCAT for Victory Anki deck. The newest version of the deck will always be located on the free MCAT for Victory Anki course. That means it is important to make sure that you have an MCAT for Victory account, so you can always quickly sign in and download the newest version. In the course, go to the Introduction module and click Download MCAT for Victory Anki deck. The current version of the deck will be displayed above the download. The version I am downloading is 1.0.0. The most up-to-date version may have changed by the time you're watching the video. Click the download button and wait for the deck to load. Then, all you have to do is open the download and it will automatically load all the cards into Anki. Whenever you download a new deck, the cards may be out of order. Therefore, it is important to open the browser by pressing B on the keyboard or clicking Browse. Now click on Whole Collection, and make sure all the cards are being filtered by date created. To add the created column, you first need to right-click on the card list and select Created. Now, make sure the Created column has the caret facing upwards. This tick over here has to be facing up. This will make sure the cards are in order of oldest to newest. Then, highlight every card by selecting on a card and pressing Command A. Alternatively, you can select the top card, scroll to the bottom, press Shift, and click the bottom card. Now, right-click to open the menu, and select Reposition. Make the start position 1, the step 1, make sure randomized order is not selected, and make sure shift position of existing cards is selected. Then select OK. We'll be going over how to use the browser effectively in a future episode. But I wanted to reposition the cards now because this is an important habit to get into whenever you download a new deck. Let's now exit the browser. This is a great time to make sure you have an Anki account, which will allow you to synchronize your work to the cloud. It is extremely important that you sync your account. By syncing, if anything happens to your device, all the work you have done will be saved. To make an account, first press the Sync button, then click on the hyperlinked Sign Up button. Press Sign Up on the website and write your email and create a secure password. The email and password you create can now be used to connect your account to any device. This means you can use Anki on your computer, tablet, and phone. It is important to always press Sync before changing devices to ensure you are using the most up-to-date version of your deck. And that's where I'm going to end this episode. In this video, we went through how to download Anki and how to download the MCAT for Victory Anki deck. Next episode, we will go over the required and recommended Anki add-ons.